Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello
love
friends,
and
welcome
support.
back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this beautiful jewelry designer neckline pattern using the normal stitching needle. I had already given the neckline markings, which is a U-shaped neckline. Now the design will be followed in this way. We need to apply 4 dots equally distributing the gap. These are freehand designer patterns as these are customized patterns. So any necklines we can try it. This you can also try on already stitched blouse following these instructions.
I'll be sticking red color kundans of small size.
Now I'll be applying the glue dots again in between these gaps to stick the semicircle golden beads of medium size, which is of 2 mm. To extend the design further, I'll be applying the glue dots again in this center of these kundans to stick green color drop shape kundans of small size. Exactly to the opposite of these red color kundans, I had already applied the glue dots like this. This is again to stick green color kundans. As I said, these are the free-handed designer patterns. Follow the step-by-step process so that it will make your work easy to do. All around these drop shape, I'll be applying the glue dots of 7 like this. This is again to stick red color kundans of small size. Kundan and golden beads work is almost done. Now the design will be extended further using these gold color Zardosi strings of small size. This is how we have to cut in 1 centimeter length. So this much length I'll cut for the remaining to make the mango shape. There's no measurements for this. Either you can draw the shape of the mango and you can measure it accordingly, or you can do like how I've shown now, placing it all around the kundans and making the shape of the mango. Accordingly we have to cut the zard. Final step is to cut a small strings of Zardosi. So firstly I'll make the box shape all around this kundans, inserting the Zardosi string in the needle and just insert back. So this shape we have to create here, that means the box shape. Now for the filling also, I'll use the small Zardosi strings, just inserting and filling in between to fill these gaps. The small strings I have cut, that I'll insert here. So this is how we'll make the diamond shape. Now I'll insert the 1-inch string to highlight the drop shape kundan. So this is how we have to stitch. Just insert it and give the stitches all around this drop shape like this. Now I'll stitch the small golden beads adjacent to this medium size golden bead. This is to fill in the gap. I will show you how to stitch the mango shape. Placing the Zardosi string like this, I will start stitching. I know how to make the mango shape, so I'm just placing it and stitching. And if you don't know, you can give the markings of that particular shape and stitch accordingly, placing the Zardosi like this. The mango shape drawing I'll show you next how to do that, but this is so easy. Placing it the Zardosi string, give the couple of stitches to keep it in place, and at the end turn it into curve to get the particular shape of the mango. I cut the Zardosi string of same length, so no need to worry, we'll get the same particular shape on all the design. Now clearly watch it here, I am just giving the curve, do not bend it so that it will be broken. So hold it with the finger like this and give couple of stitches here to keep it in place. You can see how easily the shape had been made. This is without markings I am doing here. Now I am filling in between the kundans with that small Zardosi strings, giving the stitch like this, just inserting the string in between and giving the stitches like this will fill in between the gap of the kundans. And that's it friends, this is the pattern to fill in the complete design will be followed in this way only. So mark it like this and then take the measurements of Zardosi to cut to get the perfect length for exact cutting of the Zardosi. Now I am marking the shape of the mango here, so accordingly this length we have to measure for the Zardosi string to make the mango shape and then cut accordingly. Because some of my viewers were asking that how to cut the Zardosi with the same length and they don't even know how to cut the Zardosi, so that's why I am showing how to mark and cut the exact length of the Zardosi. I hope this is clear to know. I am showing the end knot, putting the needle, making the loop like this and just pull it to another side. The knot is done. Like this we have to give couple of knots to secure. This was requested by one of my viewer to show the end knot with the normal stitching needle, so that's why I am showing, and the end result would be like this. These are the really enriched jewelry patterns which everyone will like. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.